Welcome to Radivij Finance, and we are presenting a new share target for CMS Infosystem Limited predictions because unexpectedly we do not have any clue about this GMP may achieved by CMS Infosystem as we ever expected. This should be offered as a discount offer, but as we say in the last moment that is CMS Infosystem is having foreign investment, so we forgot to say is that but yeah, we have given good rating for the GMP, and according to that the volatility into this share has really jumped up according to the target of us. Yes, 10 rupees only we have lose it over here, means 10 rupees it has gone up ahead than our expected pricing, but yeah, it's okay. 10% error is expected, as we can say. We have given the GMP prediction and we have achieved, and we are thankful that our static really work hard over here in this whole week. Whatever we have expected the pricing from all shares, all those static has become so true, and we are happy to say is that share target prediction for CMS Infosystem Limited we are going to predict for this will be applicable till February 2022. Yes, after budget we will announce a new reports for the same. And yes, congratulations to us on the 31st of December year ending. We are uploading this video, and in that case we have achieved the GMP. Dear investors and viewers, we have started this GMP analysis since MTAR has launched into the market. It was accidentally happened, and on that case we have special report for the same where we given GMP analysis, and it has crashed or it has showed the debit of the market on those days when the IPO got listed, or sometimes it has been reversed also. So we are not the market leader yet. Hopefully 2022 bring us a lot of luck, and it will be challenge for us to give a statistic for the shares who's going to list into the market. And dear investors and viewers, we are hoping the number of IPOs are going to launch in 2022 will be the successful for us. And yes, very soonly we will expand our channel Radivij Finance. Apart from that, we are having Crypto Blush is our new segment in cryptocurrencies. And yes, dear investors and viewers, we will give the best and best in case of Crypto Blush. So you can follow us on a Crypto Blush channel, and we are going to launch it very soonly. What are the ways, how the cryptos work, but that will happen on the 1st Jan 22 onwards only, because we seen that we always launch our channel or we always start YouTube on the month of December. Yes, dear viewers, even consequently on the 19th December we have started Crypto Blush. Actually, we have started on the occasion of our YouTube channel has completing 1 year on the 29th of December. But yes, first video is not hit as much as expected reviews comes from the market, because initially we published that video in the New York only. So anyways, probably from the New York people has not seen our video, and that's the reason. Anyways, now we have changed it and it is available in India too, the publish of Crypto Blush video. So you can check out what crypto we are offering. As a suppose you have to buy, what are the cryptos suggested by Nasdaq, what exactly those. We will come up with a lots of tons of, we can say, video. Hopefully we are not in that case of research until now, but very soon we will launch so many things. So we have a plan for the same, and you should have a look around that. Anyways, we are now talking about the GMP analysis which we have achieved. The special report will publish at 10 p.m. today itself for the IPOs of the 2021. We can say IPO of the year 2021, and in that case we have achieved number of GMPs. You can check out for the same. So if you are interested, you can go to respective videos, find the GMPs to get exit window from the stock market. In case you have get allotment from the IPO, suppose you have lost it, you're not got any kind of IPO allotment, then you can check out where the discount offers also available. So in that case we have given the discount offer for our viewers, and it has become so true. At least 2 to 3 IPOs, you can check out our reports for the same. GMP prediction for CMS Infosystem Limited. Yeah, we may expect this company offer discount price, and it may touch up to below 190 rupees. Suppose this company has show overvaluation while giving a price band, then it can subscribe above the IPO price, and minimum it will give rupees INR 225, maximum it will goes up to 250, but it could not cross 300 plus or 400 plus as per the CMS Infosystems Limited strategies. We are guessing this. Hopefully this may be wrong, this may be right. We will upload the new video for CMS Infosystem Limited. Suppose we achieve the GMPs. Yes, absolutely. Dear viewers, this is the graph which we have collected from internet, and in that case it shows that according to our GMP analysis and the GMP prediction, we have given minimum expected 225, but it has gone down 215, means 10 rupees below the line it has touched up as today's low target, and 260 where we have predicted maximum target is 250. So it has touched up uptrend with the 260 rupees on the day of listing. But yes, we are expecting this CMS Infosystem show the long term expected targets rather than over here. So anyways, you can check out. We have achieved the GMP, and this is our last and successful GMP achieve whatever brackets we have given as comparing as with the other all competitor into the market. Because as you check out with the all the YouTubers or anywhere, they have given a predictions about the GMP as quite different than ours. So, and in case of ours, it has become so true. We are happy to tell you, everybody, thank you so much to believing in us. Yes, we are having very less subscriber over here in this YouTube, but absolutely if you like it, if you are watching our channel very frequently, you can check out with that. Dear viewers, anyways, we have a lot of only males on this YouTube channel, so we are happy. That means still dominating finance market over female, and we are presenting all videos in female voice. Hopefully we will start our company rather than as a YouTuber only, and you will get benefit for the same. As of now, we are initial startup over here, and if you see the CMS, anyways, we are going to talk about the CMS Infosystem share, how it has been trended at the initials. Till 11:30 it was on the topmost, and then it has started falling down, and again at the end of the day it has touched somewhere down the line. So you can see they have given the new peak, they have given the exit window for the investor who wanted to book the short term growth over here, hopefully, or it can show the uptrend in the nearest future. We can't find or we can't guess the volatility in this share, because as of now our prediction somewhere is true, but it could not be happen all the time that predictions comes true. We are not from the management yet, and that's the reason we can't say successfully you will get the return after so and so target. We are just predicting according to our analysis. Hopefully it will be work, guys. Dear viewers, the share target predictions for Siemens Infosystem Limited will be valid till February 2022. The price target we are expecting, suppose it goes downtrend, then it may go down. At least it will touch 180 rupees minimum INR. And this is valid till February 2022. Okay, so suppose this share has go up and it shows something volatility and the good share target to gain a lot of suppose we are not aware what that band of IPO has overvaluated or not, but we can say suppose this share goes up and probably it may touch maximum 380 or 450 also. We can't say as of now. The volatility and overvaluations is behind the we are expecting this should be existing in this share, because the way the share has working on the day of listing, absolutely this seems like overvaluation of a band of this share. Anyways, we are going to talk about the share target over here. So we are expecting the share might touch 450 or 380 at least till February. If it has been overvaluated, suppose the share has gone down, then we can say yes, it can touch up to 180 around at least till February 2022, and we can say there is no overvaluation for this IPO price band over here for Siemens Infosystem Limited. Anyways, there is a lot of support comes to this company. As we say, this is already existing into the market. They are having means like unbreakable sector, that is banking. So banking sector and ATM sectors are connected. ATMs falls down, banking services goes down, so we can't say banks may show more interest in this share as we are expecting, because see, ATMs is related only to the bank and bank services happens on the ATM base. So that's the reason this share has survived into the market. They do not offer this discount offer yet. It means that's only. Anyways, whatever it is, we will come back with another IPOs. Wait and watch till 2022. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance, and we are wishing all of you happy, healthy new year. Happy new year to all of you, and you should just watch our another channel, Crypto Blush. Dear investors and viewers, till the time you can find GMP analysis reports available on our YouTube channel today by 10 p.m. It means 2022. No, it means sorry. It's not. We are just talking about 2022 year, but today is 2021 year, and the whole year reports is available till 22 IST. Okay, it's a PM, so you can check out. It will be published very soonly. You can check out from MTAR to the CMS Infosystem, our journey about the GMP analysis and exit windows for our all investors and viewers, or you can hold the share. And yes, absolutely, we are available on Twitter, we are available on Quora, and yes, wait and watch. Probably we will start launching ourselves in a FB too. So dear investors and viewers, have a great day. Happy week. Is it weekend? Yeah. we are wishing all of you happy weekend, because anyways 1st Jan is holiday for Indian market, as well as 2nd is a Sunday. So you can find our another video which is about the Nasdaq predictions. You can check out our Nasdaq predictions which is available since August, and where we are I believe it at least 75% we are predicting perfectly about the value or the below the value. So either it show the uptrend, either it show the downtrend. So you can check out with that, guys. So, and you can follow us on Twitter, you can follow us on Quora. So we will come back to you with that. If you have any queries, let us know. Yeah, but please do not ask the Paytm shares, because we have given a lot of suggestions on that. You can check out with others. I mean to say, the Paytm shares was falling down, and the investors really ridiculously unhappy over there, because they seen their pricing has gone down, and then they are asking us a lot of queries about Paytm shares. You can check out over with their fund managers or whatever the things is. We are not aware, we are not from the Paytm management team, we are not from the company, we are just YouTuber as like others. Okay, we can't give a overview what will happen with the Paytm in 2030. Yeah, probably Paytm made tie-ups with the cryptocurrencies, but cryptocurrency it will be available with the Crypto Blush channel, so you can subscribe it. We are expecting, dear investors and viewers, why we are asking you to. In India, cryptocurrency is not legalized yet. Okay, so first of all, in India they are not legalized, but if you see, there are a number of e-commerce companies are investing themselves, or the company which is related to based on the hospitality and all, they are having tabs with the cryptocurrencies. In not in India, but we can say the social media related companies more interested in cryptocurrency. So hopefully Bitcoin you will get next Uber journey, we can expect that, or probably Amazon will offer the cryptocurrencies as like do you have ever think about the SEBI has interrupted about the loyalty points which banks offer you, which any merchants offer you, they have interrupted yet? No. So that's the reason we maybe they do not have the payment gateway, but the payment gateway comes from the apps base. Okay, payment gateway means there is bank is not directly attached over there, there is payment gateways, any app is there, and the far behind the bank is there. So bank is related to RBI, and the SEBI is related to stock market. So there is a, if any coupon is offered to you guys, will SEBI interrogate that? No. Any ride has sponsored by Ola, Uber, or across the world, so will that been asked by SEBI? No. So that kind of turn India may see in 2022, according to us, that many company will get tie-ups with the cryptocurrencies very soonly, because everything is based on technology, blockchain, and that's the reason we have started our new channel, and that is Crypto Blush. So have a look around that and let us know your overview in a comment box, please, if you are interested. We are not forcefully asking you to subscribe us. If you really like our channel, just subscribe us. Or if you are interested, yes, absolutely, we are not making anything. Have a great day.